I'm Corbin, one of the DIY pros here at Sailrite, and here's 4 of my favorite tools that you should know about before our Black Friday sale. I'll start off by the smallest but most used tool on this list. This is my 60mm rotary cutter. My background is in leatherworking, so I always like to cut against a straight edge, and this does that beautifully. But over the last year, I've been doing more fabric and upholstery projects, and this thing has been glued to my hand the whole time, even for those projects. So it's solidified as my favorite cutting tool. I like it so much, I even made it a little pair of pants. Or a shirt, depending on how you look at it. The next tool I love is the Sailrite burnishing machine. Other than a sewing machine, it's the best time-saving tool a leatherworker can invest in. It can quickly sand leather edges flush to prep them for beveling, then burnish them to a shine in seconds, saving time and hand cramps. An often forgot about feature is the polishing wheel, which can quickly hone the tools, keeping them sharp and performing their best. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been doing a lot of non-leather projects, so for my upholstery projects, this long nose staple gun has been a game changer. Not only does it work better than a typical spring-loaded staple gun, but like the burnishing machine, it saves my hand from fatigue. It's made specifically for upholsterers, and what that means is it shoots the staple just far enough to grab the fabric, but not so far that it pierces the fabric, leading it to tear out. It does the job just about perfectly. I've been having a great time learning upholstery, so I see myself using this a whole lot more in the future. And this wouldn't be a true list of my favorite tools if I didn't mention my beloved deluxe fabricator, the king of all sewing machines. I've sewn on a lot of machines in my lifetime, and I've never felt more confident or in control like I do with the fabricator. It's really a joy to sew on. And just look at this thing. The black powder-coated legs, the maple tabletop, and the sleek black machine head. You could frame that. And I have.